Hello everyone. Okay, so this session is only for the last topic, which required some practical approach, or you can have some practical study or a practical performance at your home. Uh, as this subject is only elective subject, we don't have practical what we can say or term work or practical exam for this. But for examination point of view, the question may ask in the theory. So for this you should have or you can go through the different YouTube videos where I have shared I have shared on your WhatsApp group. So I will share the study material for this also on our WhatsApp group. This session is just for what you need to study for the last topic or last what we can say subtopic, that is the study of digital forensic tools. So basically this topic or subtopic is for case study. It can be treated as your case study. That's why I send you the YouTube videos where you have a practical approach and a demonstration of how different forensic tools work. Fine. So same thing. You can go through the book which I have referred for. So different digital forensic tools are there. For example, okay, first I will share what kind of question you can have in your examination. So first just let me open the okay, so similar question was asked in one of the question paper from our department only, IT department, because I have gone through computer department question papers, but I couldn't find any question related to digital forensic tools. So the question is like, where is that question? Can't find the IT paper. Scons. Okay. Okay, I will do one thing. I will directly share the. Okay, I will share uh, screen. Okay, share the screen and okay. So I already shared different papers on our WhatsApp group, digital forensic group. So this is our paper. Okay, hope you are seeing this question paper. I have shared screen with you. Okay, you. I think you cannot unmute yourself, right? Mm, okay, so hope you are seeing the screen or the question paper with you. So in question in this IT paper, question number 5B. The question number 5B is like list various digital forensic tools and explain any one tool with case study. So just we have to list the different tools we have, not only the book that tools that are mentioned in the book only. There are many latest tools we can have. You can search it for the on YouTube, or you can search it for the in a Google. Just you have to list the different tools, and you have to mention or you have to explain the any one tool with a case study. So I will check what we have to write in the case study, right? So you have the you can write the the basic information about the tool, forensic tool. What are the different features provided by the different tools? what are the operations they can perform, what are the pros and cons of the tools, and what are the actions or what are the steps we need to do to use the forensic tools. You can mention that, because the thing is ki in the book, I will share all these things. So in the book you can get how we install and how we use. They have put the screenshots for everything, for each and every tool. So there are I think four uh, tools they have mentioned, that is Sleuth Kit Autopsy, Simple Autopsy, and one more is there, Sans SIFT. So they are mentioned three toolkit, the forensic toolkit. So you can mention different toolkit under NKS FTK manager also. So you just have to brief out what the content it. You just have to list out the different tools and the description of any one. Fine. So I will try to have an answer like what you need to write under the case study. So meanwhile, you just go through the content and go through the different tools which are available in the market for a digital forensic tool. So if it is asked for 10 marks, you can write the answer. Fine. So this is our last chapter. It is treated as a case study for you. So kindly go through the different digital forensic tools on YouTube with a demonstration if you are interested for that, and study each and every function or what we can say operation performed by that forensic tools. So this is the last chapter you can go through, the topic of the last chapter or module, and hope you are going through. One second, let me go to the Zoom so that we can directly communicate. Okay. So I am unmuting all the participants so you can talk with me. So hope there is no noise or distraction, a sound distraction behind you. I will communicate with each and everyone like Amok, Dharmesh, Jayesh, Praveen is there, Rashmi, Shahid, Shweta, and Prajjot. So I am unmuting one by one so that I will talk to each and everyone. Okay. So Amok, I am unmuting you. Amok, Amok, yeah. So hope you have gone through the different papers which I have sent on the group, and you have sent a solution also, or you have put the solution, and you have filled that sheet in that drive. Fine. So the purpose of this thing is like you will get the solution of 90 questions, right? So you will get the solution of 90 questions, because we don't have any proper book for digital forensic, but we have this book. But this is not a limited one. If you want to score more, you can get all the answers on the internet. So this is the main idea behind this key, like you will search for the answers, because the answer is not limited, like the answer should not be bookish. As it is a theory paper, you can write anything related to the concerned question. So hope you are following these things, you are studying the things, and you are referring all the solutions, because almost more than 30 solutions have been uploaded. More solutions are in the process. Fine. So just go through the different solutions. Okay. Okay. So I am muting you and Dharmesh. Dharmesh, yeah, hope you have uploaded the thing, solutions. Upload kiya hai na? Right. So refer other solutions also. If you have doubt in the answers of other solution, so just ping me, so that I can ask that particular person to modify the answer. Fine. Because the answer should not be like कि ये task दिया है मैंने तो करना है, ऐसे नहीं है. That this task is for you. So answer अगर up to the marks नहीं है, so you have to be careful, like you can ask me, right? Ki, this is not the up to the mark. This is not covering all the answer. Fine. Okay. Jayesh. Jayesh, are you there? Okay, you are the first person who have sent me the solution, the proper solution you have sent me. Fine. And one more thing, you just follow that, like you search for the question because the question are from the computer branch, but you can map that questions with the modules, right? So I have sent you the syllabus also. Just map that question with the module and put that question solution into the module wise. इससे क्या होगा कि you will get the yes, yes, yes. You have the many of the students have moved all this solution in the module wise. उससे क्या होगा कि you will get the idea like module wise कितने question paper questions आए हैं and you will get the one like आप study कर रहे हो module one का right. So you are studying module one, you will access the module one folder and you will get the all the solutions. Fine. Okay. Okay, Rashmi, are you there? Hope you have submitted the solution. Okay, fine. So be careful, like your answer should be up to the mark because this answer is referred by, may be referred by each and everyone because we have more than 80 students for the DF and आपको बहुत सारा time मिला है. You can have you can study more for the every each and every subject because this task is not only for DF. This task may be for the all the subjects. You will get the task for each and every subject and you just have to prepare the soft copy, right? Okay, fine, thank you. And next one is Shahid. Are you there, Shahid? हाँ, कैसा है? Have you uploaded the solution? Okay, okay, fine. Yes, yes, take your own time because the thing is you should your output should be with the proper solution. ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ देगा दिया है तो मुझे ये एक पेज में कर लेता हूँ. That solution is be can be used for by each and everyone. Fine. So you have more time because the after third May the exam will be there or the I don't know कि कब सब होगा. But time being you have much more time to revise all these things. Fine. So time being just upload कर लो सब जितना time मिलेगा आपको. Fine. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Shweta. Yeah, you have uploaded the things, no? Okay, if you want, you can select more than two questions also. Fine. If you have answers for the better answers for that question. Next thing is ki, those who have not selected because there are more than 80 students are there and those who are not still filled that sheet. So I will put the question 2 to 3 questions for them. That is a punishment. That can be a punishment for them. So they will put the solutions for the repeat questions. Either वो unique नहीं रहेंगे, otherwise वो unique रहेगा. But they have to put the solutions for 2 to 3 questions. Like आपको मैंने बोला था एक क्वेश्चन के लिए और दो क्वेश्चन के लिए डिपेंड ऑन द मार्क्स. बट जिन्होंने अभी तक फिलअप नहीं किया like more than 40 I think 43 or 45 students have filled that sheet and uploaded the solution. They are trying to upload the solution but many of the more than 50% the more than 35% have not filled up the that sheet. So I will give the punishment like not a punishment but उनके लिए task ज़्यादा रहेगा because they are not following the thing we are following. Okay, fine, thank you Shweta. And Prajjot. Okay, Prajjot, I think उसका mic बंद है. Okay, fine. Prajjot, hope you are uploading the things and all. Just follow this thing. Okay, Praveen is there. Praveen, okay, have you filled that sheet? Excel sheet. Okay, fine. And upload the things, solutions properly. You can upload if. Oh yes, yes, yes. I know there are many students like those who are sincere. Those are sincere. They are connecting to these sessions and they are doing the task very well. Just revise all these things. Okay, you got the chance to score more. अभी you are in a third year. Like अभी next year आपका placement का start हो जाएगा जून जुलाई और अगस्त से. आपका कुछ प्लानिंग रहेगा एमएस करने के लिए, किसी को गेट एग्जाम देनी है, किसी को क्या देना है. सो यू हैव मोर चांस टू स्टडी वेरी वेल. आप टेक्निकल करो, नॉन टेक्निकल स्टडी करो. फाइन. सो यू हैव मोर टाइम. ओके, सो अबाउट द डीएफ, लास्ट टॉपिक सब टॉपिक जो अपना है स्टडी ऑफ डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक टूल्स. I will share the content of our book. Sorry. Okay, okay, wait. So the content which I will share with you डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक टूल्स का. बट आपको क्या करना है, अभी आपको टूल्स और स्टडी करना है. कोई और डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक टूल्स डेवलप किया है क्या, उसका डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन आपको पता होना चाहिए. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन देख लो एक बार, किसी को इंटरेस्ट है तो. बट मे बी आस्क फॉर द 10 marks. You need to list the tools and you have to describe any one tool. So not limited to only three, you can have more than three. So that is the task for you, that is the case study for you. So don't skip this question like I think कौन सा बोला मैंने 5B और 5A something from IT paper. So कोई भी आप सर्च कर लो, किसी को एक टूल मिलेगा, किसी को दो टूल मिलेंगे. So at least describe all these tools. Fine. Hope you are getting the thing. Just you can put your message in a chat box so that we can. Okay, so you have to prepare, or you have to prepare the answer for this study of digital forensic tools. This is the last topic, and I am planning for the revision, like module wise, or we can have a module wise important questions, and I will describe the that questions का answer in the session. So I will conduct 30 minutes का session, उसमें दो तीन questions हो जाएंगे. Like we can conduct the session for the module wise. मॉड्यूल वन में कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और उसमें क्या क्या लिखना है और कितना लिखना है. सो दैट इज आई एम प्लानिंग फॉर, बिकॉज वी हैव 2 more weeks or 2 more weeks. So I am planning for that. When will you share the PDF of units like you shared 1 to 3? I have shared the things लो. I have shared the 4 5 6 also. 4 5 का 6 का शायद से मैंने नहीं किया. I will share the 6th unit, but I have shared the things. Okay, I will check whether I have shared the fifth का नहीं किया ना. So not the, नहीं, I have shared the whole book also. अगर नहीं है आपके पास तो I will share the things again. Okay, fine. I will share the I have shared a module wise PDF material of the book. 6 का सिर्फ बाकी है, 6 का मैं आज कर लेता हूँ, so that you will get the answers properly. सो आई एम प्लानिंग कि आपको यूनिट वाइज मॉड्यूल वाइज आपको आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे. लाइक नो कंटेंट द होल कंटेंट. जस्ट आई विल ब्रीफ आउट कि ये मॉड्यूल में ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन है, एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट अंडर दैट क्वेश्चन. फाइन. और कितने मार्क्स के लिए, 10 marks के लिए कितना लिखना है, क्या लिखना है, क्या स्किप कर सकते हैं, what is the important part you should include. So I am planning for that. So hopefully I will try to conduct this session in the next week, 5 days में. और 5 days में हम लोग 6 मॉड्यूल, 6 days में 6 मॉड्यूल्स हम लोग कवर कर लेंगे. आई विल ट्राई टू कवर. लेट्स सी कैसे होता है, बिकॉज द थिंग इज कि आपका कंडीशन भी थोड़ा अलग रहेगा कि सब कंफ्यूजन है कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. जस्ट अभी आपको क्या करना है कि आराम से घर पे बैठना है. ट्राई टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स. आपको कुकिंग पसंद है, कुकिंग कर लो. आपको स्टडी करना है, लर्निंग करना है, कुछ लर्न करना है, प्रोग्रामिंग करना है. किसी को एमएस के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है, किसी को और किसी के क्या करना है, मे बी इंटरव्यूज के लिए प्रिपेयर करना रहेगा, प्लेसमेंट के लिए प्रिपेयर करना रहेगा, को सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्सेज करने हैं. किसी को टाइम में नहीं मिल रहा है अपने पैशन के लिए टाइम, किसी को ड्राइंग पसंद है, स्केचिंग पसंद है, किसी को कुछ क्या कुछ, बहुत सारा टाइम है आपके पास अभी. राइट. So you can utilize that task for your passion, you, if अगर आपको करना है तो ठीक है. So I will conclude here and hope you will with the tools, डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक टूल्स आपके पास बहुत सारे आपको स्टडी करना है, because the book contains only three forensic tools, right? So thank you guys and take care. I am closing the ending the meeting. Oh, thank you and take care. Have a good day and good night.